Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable music haptics on iPhone 18 and all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18. Go to Accessibility. Scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Music Haptics. You'll find the setting for Music Haptics. Below, you'll also find a list of apps on your device compatible with the feature, which won't be too long right now. Even popular apps like Spotify don't support it presently. Turn on the toggle for Music Haptics. After turning on the feature, you can tap on the Play Sample option to feel the effects or go straight to Apple Music and play a song while holding your iPhone. Once you enable the feature, you'll also find an option for Music Haptics on the Now Playing screen in Apple Music. Tap on it, Music Haptics icon to pause it, and tap again on Paused to resume Music Haptics. An icon for turning Music Haptics on/off will also appear on the Now Playing UI on the lock screen. Another icon for it will also be available in your control center for faster access to turn Music Haptics on/off even when you are not playing any music. Please note, the feature is available on iPhones 12 and above with iOS 18. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily enable your music haptics on iPhone iOS 18. So hope you understand all the steps. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.